Hello guys, this is Mohammad Faizan Junaid. So I am on site of Khammam to Suryapet greenfield alignment. So this is a kind of girder. The length of a girder is around 35 meters. So this is a reinforcement. So this is a reinforcement and this is a girder. So let me show you what is the meaning of struts and what is the meaning of ply. So this single piece is known as, you can see a single piece. So this single piece is known as a strut. Fine. So next, when coming to this single piece, this strut consists of a plies. Plies is nothing but, so let me zoom in this. So here you can see there are 7 strips in this. So each strip is known as this strip. See, each strip is known as a ply, nothing but a ply. So one strut consists of a 7 plies. So this is known as here there is a hole. Here there is a hole. This hole is known as a duct. Next, coming to, in this one single duct there are around 19 plies, 19 struts. Okay, each struts consists of a 7 plies. So here you can see the section of a girder. So this is a girder, and the top is the arrangement of reinforcement. I can't show this arrangement of reinforcement because it is totally covered with a concrete. The concrete that is used is M50 grade of concrete in this. Fine. So let me show you what is this. This is known as an anchor head. This is very heavy, so this is known as an anchor head. So let me show you what is the use of this anchor head. This anchor head will be placed in this. Each strut will be placed in this anchor head. Let me show you. So each strut will be placed in this anchor head. So after placing this anchor head, so we'll be connecting this anchor head to this some kind of arrangement. So this will expand after placing this. Here you can see that this brother is placing this kind of arrangements into this to anchor this. Fine. So let me show it to you. So where is this? So have a look at this glimpse. So this brother is placing some kind of arrangements. This will be anchorage to that. I don't know what is this said as. I think it is an anchorages. So this is known as high density polyethylene pipe. So this pipe will be placed in that hole. After placing this pipe in that hole with a certain kind of eccentricity, we have studied in the undergraduate. So this pipe will be placed in that hole. After placing this pipe, so this tendons or nothing but as struts will be placed in that. Okay, this pipe will be placed in that. Let me show you another thing after placing this. So this is kind of a pre-stressing post tension. See, this is the video after post tension. Here you can see that this is an anchor head, and this picture I have shown you in your previously. So these are nothing but as struts. Okay, so when the length of a girder is 35 meters, they will be providing extra 1 meter length on either side. So here the length of a girder is 35 meters, then the length of these struts will be around 37 meters. 1 meter here and 1 meter that side, 1 meter this side and 1 meter that side. After post tensioning, they will be observing a slip edge, that is, it will that strut will be slipped. So that observations will be made for 24 hours. After making that observations, they will be cutting that. They will be cutting the struts, and they will be closing that struts by placing a grout. I'll be sharing that pictures with you. So this is a grouting machine. This is a grouting machine. Have a look at it. Just they are not performing any grout. Just have a look at it. Let me show you how post tension is done. So they have placed a jack. This is known as a jack, and this is known as the air compression. Fine. So this is an arrangement which will be seen in similar kind of SPT test. That is standard penetration test. In this, they will be measuring a pressure.
1, 2, 3, start.
So he said that 1, 2, 3, start. He is on a call. So here they will be measuring a pressure at every 50 meters. So whenever it reaches 400 kg per centimeter square, he will be turning off that. Let me show you. He will be noting down that elongation. I'll show you how the elongation will be measured. See guys, he is measuring that elongation. Elongation nothing but the length of a stud that is being elongated due to application of this post-tensioning stresses. So fine guys, this is all about elongation. This is all about how post-tension is done in a girder. Thank you.